Yeah, good evening, students. Well, Ujjwal, Abhi, Shwat, right? Ayush, y- yeah. Good evening, everyone. Beta. Ravisha, good evening, bache. So, how are you all? It's good. Section. Okay, great. So, I think you have your exams also, na? I'm good. I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Thank you. Yes. So, how is your? I think you have exams also, right? I mean, in the month of September, the half yearlies. No. Yes. Okay. October in your case. Fine. Right. Okay. What's going on? Okay. It's ended on 6 on. No, I'm talking about the half yearlies and all that half yearly exams. Is it September 10? Okay. It's Abhi Ashwat. This is your first class, I think. Abhi? Okay. So have you gone through the videos? Have you gone through the videos? Okay. Ravisha, 7 September. It's okay. Fine. Fine. Himank is also joined. Great. Okay. No problem. You can watch that videos. No problem. I've started with the trigonometry part, right? So quadratic and equations and inequations we have completed. So you can just frame your timings and everything. You can go through the videos, small videos you have, right, Avi? And you can, go through it. If you have any doubts, anything, you can always ask me. Okay. So then second set of videos, I think I'm also thinking of clearing some school doubts also from next class. If you have any school level doubts or something, we can also discuss those topics, right? So next week we'll divide it into two parts, the session. We can take your doubts and whatever. If you have any other queries regarding your school exams, any school support, right? So you can ask me in the next class. Okay. So was the first chapter was the biggest? Yeah, it was the biggest in terms of concepts, right? Lot many concepts you have, right, Ujjwal? Okay. Well, this is the first chapter, and quadratic equations you have not done previously, right? Equation you have done may not be the inequation part. So something new, right? So we have completed that. So I think that's not an issue. And once you have completed the biggest chapter, the smaller one will follow within a very short span of time. You can complete the course, right? So, other topics. Okay, right. So you got the modules, everyone. Avi, you got the modules, with Ravisha, you got the modules. Yes. Section, you haven't got it. So have you informed the teachers? Have you informed section? Just make a call or mail. What is the status? Maybe on the way. You'll be getting it maybe within next 2-3 days. You'll just check, right? Because it's almost 10 days you have joined, right? So you can just go through it once, isn't it? Fine. How many chapters are coming in this half-yearly exams? How many chapters are coming? Well, you have already given the exams. So today, what we'll be doing? We will be converting. We'll be continuing with trigonometry beta. Amongst is till 8th. Okay. Right. Achha, 8 chapters are coming. Fine. That's great. Good. So 8 chapters are coming. So that's great. Yeah. The very good chunk of chapters are coming in the half yearlies, right? Isn't it? Yeah. Karan has also joined. Good evening, Karan. Yes. Eight chapters. Aditya has also joined. Great, Aditya. 8 chapters are coming. That's good here. That's good. I mean, almost 13 or 14 chapters are there, right? Around 15 chapters. Great. Okay, you're getting 6 chapters. It's okay. I mean, maybe they have started the syllabus a bit early. Once you complete your board, some schools start their syllabus, right? Isn't it? So maybe they have done it, right? Sometimes, you give the boards and then from the next day, the school start their school classes, class 11th, class 10th. So they start the syllabus and complete the syllabus. Yeah, number of chapters. No. I'm talking about the number of chapters in the exams, half-yearly exams which are coming. Right. I'm talking about that, Peter. Yes, right? Yes. So that means you have completed almost all the chapters now. Start with class 12 then. Isn't it? There are 30 odd chapters total. Oh, okay. Fine. So have you gone through the videos which are uploaded in the last 3-4 days before? You all have gone through the videos? Okay. Okay, section. Karan, Anak, Abhijit, right? Right. You make sure that you people should get good marks in school. That is very important. Okay. Vidyamandir is okay. I mean, you'll be going with the JEE mains and JEE advanced and level questions and all. But make sure that you people get good marks in school. That is also a very important thing. That will boost your confidence, right? Right. So that is also very important. Huh? So if you have any queries, anything, we can always discuss. Okay. So I have published, around 10 videos, I think, small videos in the last, Sunday or day before Sunday, I think. Right. So there we have done up to maximum and the minimum value of the functions, right? That's what we have done. Okay. Fine. But I will continue that. You can watch those recording to the next week also, because some students have exams and all. So I'm thinking that this videos will be continued till next week, so that you can go through the concepts again. Right? Maybe you have not got proper time to watch the videos, because around 10 videos were there and very good concepts. So I want you to go through every questions of this particular series of videos published in the last week. Okay. Right. So I think that is also very, very important, because that's why I've given you a buffer of around 1 week more, right? So you can go through it because you have school exams also. I can understand that you have the other things going around. So others who don't have the exams, they also revise and they also can go through the videos or left out videos of the previous term. So I'm giving a 1 week time more for the videos published, scheduled for today and the next Wednesday, right? Okay. So I want everyone to go through those videos. Okay, because I can go forward, but again, the exams and all doesn't make, can't have an effective watching time. So, Mr. Can you sir please start the class as I have my another class in 6 p.m. Sumit, beta, how can I start the class? It is scheduled for 5 o'clock actually, no? Some students are coming, right? So if you have anything you want to ask, you can ask me, no problem. Right, Sumit? It is scheduled for 5 o'clock, no? We have only 3 minutes left, so you can start the class, no problem. Let me wait for 2-3 minutes more. Okay, Sumit? So you are not there in the class, last class? You are not in the last class? Fine. Why? Sumit, are you there in the last class? I don't think so. You are there. Is it? Last Wednesday? Okay. So in the last class, we did all those, the allied angles, ratios and all, right? If you remember, that 360 minus theta is minus sine, minus 360 minus theta, 360 plus theta, n into 360 plus theta, n into 360 minus theta. Those are what we have done, isn't it? Okay. Right. And in the videos, I've given you the proofs of some standard results on allied angles, difference of angles, right? Okay. If you remember, isn't it? Fine. You remember what I have done in the previous? Yes. Fine. So in the last class, what we did, last class, Anag, we did the T ratios of allied angles, right? T ratios of allied angles. Fine. This is what we have done in the last class. Okay. So you can go through the videos. You can go through the links also, whatever we have done. So you remember that 360 degree plus theta. So you remember 360 degree minus theta, right? Okay. N into 360 degree plus theta, right? Or n into 360 degree minus theta. We are talking about the number of revolutions, isn't it? What we have done this, all those things, right? Then also we have done something for allied angles, right? If you remember, this is 90 degree plus minus theta we have done. We have done 180 degree plus minus theta, right? We have done it for 270 degree plus minus theta. So have you revised everything? All of my students, can you tell me? Last class, have you revised? Have you gone through those things? Is it? Everyone? Can you give me a confirmation, please? Is it? Yes. Abhi, no problem. But Abhi, this is Abhi, because last class we have done it, right? So no problem, right? Sometimes maybe you'll be, you have something not related to this part, what we'll be doing today, right? We'll be discussing the formulas, but if there is something which is coming in the way, I will explain you. Don't worry. Okay. Fine. Okay. So, my dear students, let me start this, topic now. Right. So today we'll be doing the T ratios of compound angles. Right. T ratios of the compound angles. Right. This is what we're going to discuss today. Okay. Fine. So suppose we have an angle A and B. Simple. If I write A plus B, this becomes a compound angle. This is a compound angle, right? If I talk about A minus B, this is a compound angle. Okay. So in the videos we have already discussed, we have given you the proof of the forms. Let me first of all tell you how we write sin A plus B. Right. We'll do lots of problems today based on these concepts. A plus B, wasn't it? Right. Then we have sin A minus B. Okay. Then we have cos A minus B. Right. Then we have tan A plus B. Right. We have tan A minus B. So sin A plus B is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, right? This is already we have proved it. You can just go through it once. Fine. Cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Okay? Right? Right away? This is already we have given in the videos. You can just go through the videos. This very simple proofs are given. Okay? If I have sin A minus B, I have sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Right? If I have cos A minus B, we have cos A cos B plus sin A. Right? If I have tan A plus B, this can be written as tan A plus tan B, okay, divided by 1 minus tan A tan B, right? This is what we have. If we talk about tan A minus B, this is nothing but tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. Can you see that? Okay? Fine. So sin A plus B is sin A cos B. So these are all compound formulas we are talking. T ratios of compound angles, right? So this proofs I have already given better. Already I have given in the videos the proofs. Okay? So you can just go through it once. So I hope this is okay, everyone. Right? So basically, suppose you have been asked to find, say, sine 75 degree. Can you find the value of sine 75 degree? Yes. Any one of you can find the value of sine 75 degree? Or 10, 15 degree. Can you find it? Yes. Let me know. Yes. So 75 can be written as? Yes. 75 can be written as? Abhi, 75 can be written as sine beta, sine 30 plus 45, right? Isn't it? Yes. So this is A beta and this is B, right? We can substitute the value sine 30 cos 45 cos 30 sine 45, right? So I think this is clear, everyone. So we can use the formula, isn't it? Sine 30 cos 45 plus cos 30 sine 45, right? Okay. Yes, everyone. Now similarly, 10 15 is how much? What is 10 15? 10 15 is, I can write it as 10 45 minus 30, right? This is clear, Avisha? This is fine. Abhi, is this clear? 45 minus 6. Sumit, is this okay, beta? Yes. 10 15 is 10 45 minus 30, right? Okay. Now we can use this formula for this. No? A minus B, we can use 10 45 minus 30. This is A and this is B. Okay. So 1045 minus 1030. 1045 minus 1030 divided by 1 plus 1030, 1045, right? This is what. I hope this is clear, everyone. So you can put the values. 1045 is, what is the value of 1045? Is this okay, everyone? Fine? Okay? Right. So I think these values can be found out now, right? Right, Avisha, Sivanshi? I hope this is okay, everyone. Right. So this is a very simple one. Sine 75 degree, if you have been asked, we can find. Tan 15 degree, if you have been asked, we can find, right? Okay. Now let me go to the different part of this. We'll come to the questions now. Let me give a recap of all those things, what we have already done the videos. Once you go through it, it will be very easier for you. Okay. Suppose you have been asked to find, some multiple angles, key ratios of some multiple angles, right? Key ratios of some multiple angles. Multiple angles, we are talking about the multiple of 2, suppose, right? We are talking about multiple of 3, say 3a, or multiple of half, something like this. There are 3 categories we are talking about, fine? And this 3 categories will be used everywhere now, fine? So this is 2a, this is 3a, this is a by 2, okay? So when you talk about 2a, my dear students, this is nothing but what? Sine a plus b, we know that, is equal to sine a cos b plus cos a sine b, right? So let me just give one proof. Otherwise, you can just go through the form. It's already given there in the book module also, right? So if I substitute b is equal to a, my dear student, what I get? I get sine 2a. This becomes 2 sine a cos a. Very nice, right? So this is one formula we have in terms of sine a cos a, right? Now, if I divide it by 1, say, okay, if I divide it by 1, we get one more formula in terms of tan square a, okay? So that means we are talking about 2 sine a cos a, right, divided by cos square a plus tan square a, right? Okay, then we divide by, say, cos square a, right? Denominator and numerator, okay? This is cos square a plus sine square a divided by cos square a, okay? So this cos a and this cos square a get cancelled. So we are left out with 2 tan a divided by cos square is 1. This is 1 plus tan square, right? This is what we have. Fine. 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square a. So we get sine 2a to be 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square a. I hope this is clear, everyone. Fine. Just have a look at it and let me know if the things are okay. Everyone. Right. So sometimes there is a need of converting sine 2a into 2 sine a upon 1 plus tan square a, right? Okay. Fine. So this is one. Sine 2a is equal to 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square a. Similarly, if I write sine 3a, this is equal to 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. Okay, this is sine 3. So what we generally do, we just substitute b to be 2a, right? So that means a plus 2a is sine 3a. Okay. So sine A, sine 2A, cos A plus cos 2A, sine A. We can just substitute the values, right? So when you simplify, we get this part. Okay, this is what we get. Okay. Yes, Abhi. So how you divide both by cos square A? No, I'm just talking about a relationship, right, Abhi? I'm just talking about a relationship. Okay. I'm just converting sine 2A into 10A. So if someone asks you to write sine 2A in terms of 10A, then this is the formula we are talking about. So what we do generally, we divide this by cos square A. Then only we can write 2 10A upon 1 plus 10 square A. Right? Okay? Fine. So I hope this is clear. So sine 2A can be also written as 2 sine A cos A beta. Okay? And it can be also written as 2 10A upon 1 plus 10 square A. Is it? Is this clear? Okay? Everyone? So similarly, sine 3A is 3 sine A minus 4. Then we'll come to the cos part also. 3 sine A minus 4 sine cube A. And if I write in terms of half angles, so this becomes sine, A can be written as 2 sine A by 2. Yes, cos A by 2. Very good. Yeah, absolutely. Right? Is this clear, V? Is this okay, everyone? Can you just write it down and let me know if the things are okay? Fine? Yes. Okay. So you have three formulas here, beta. One formula is for sine 2A, right? And the other formula is for sine 3A. And the third formula is for sine A, right? This is one of those multiple angles we are talking about, right? Fine? Okay. So this is one we have, right, Abhi? I hope this is clear. Now let me go to cos part. Right? Cos part. So let us go to cos part. First of all, we go for 2A, we go for, 3A, then we need to convert it into A by 2 also. Okay? Let's take three parts. Now, if I talk about cos A plus B, I have written the formula for the same. Remember? So I have cos A, cos B, minus sin A, sin B. So put B is equal to A. So this is cos A plus A is 2A. This becomes what? Cos A into cos B, because in place of B we have written A. Sin A into sin B, right? So this is nothing but what? Sorry, sin A into sin A. This becomes cos square A minus sin square A. Can you see that? Okay. Is this okay, everyone? Cos 2A is cos A into cos A minus sin A into sin A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Right? This is one question. This is one part we have. Now, suppose you have been asked to find this in terms of 10 square. How will you find it? Abhi, can you find it? Beta, Saksham, Abhi, Himank, yes, Karan, Anag, Mithun. Can you just try? How will you find cos 2A in terms of 10A? How will you find it? In terms of 10A. Divide by 1, absolutely. Then same way we divide by 1, right? Divide by 1, right? So we are saying, sir, same way we can divide it by cos square a plus sin square a. Yes, absolutely better. Okay. So cos 2a, it becomes what? If I divide it by cos square a, it becomes 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 plus tan square a. Okay. So this is a very important formula we have. Okay. Similarly, if I go for cos 3a, this is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Okay. This is how we write it. If I talk about cos a in terms of angles, this is what? Cos a is nothing but cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2, right? Sometimes cos a by 2 is also written as plus minus under root of 1 plus cos a divided by. Same way, we can convert it. In place of sin square a by 2, I can write 1 minus cos square a by 2. We separate it and we get this. If I write sin a, this also can be written as plus minus 1 minus cos a divided by 2. Right? Okay? This is how we write it. Sorry. Cos a by 2, sin a by 2. Okay? Now, plus minus is decided based on which quadrant this a by 2 lies. Whether it lies in the first quadrant or in the second quadrant, that depends. Okay? So I hope this is okay, everyone. Fine? Right? So these are the three very basic formulas we have which will be used now. Right? Similarly, tan a by 2 if I talk about, right? If I talk about tan a by 2 beta, this is nothing but plus minus under root of 1 minus cos a divided by cos a. Right? So can you explain the cos sin a by 2 cos a by 2 part? Okay. Can you explain the cos a by 2 sin a by 2? Cos a is what? Cos a is cos a by 2 plus a by 2, right? Isn't it? This is a plus b form, isn't it? So I can write it as cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2, isn't it? Or cos square a by 2 can be written as 1 minus sin square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2. This is cos a. Cos a. Or we can write it as 1 minus 2 sin square a by 2. Right? Okay. So 2 sin square a by 2 can be written as, I can take cos a in the right hand side. This is cos a. Okay. Fine. So sin square a by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos a divided by 2. Yes, I will come to that. Aryan, I'm just, yes. Wait, I'm just explain this part, then I will come to that part, right? Don't worry. So if I take the square root, I got this part. Is this clear? Lavisha, I think this is okay to everyone. How I have derived it, you understood? Yes. Everyone, if you have any doubts how I have derived it, you understood, everyone? Okay. Right. This is, yes, it's clear. Marks is clear, sir. Great. Very nice. Okay. So sin a by 2, I can write it as under root of 1 minus cos a. Right section. Great. Okay. Let me come to the next part. This is the page you are talking about, beta. Aryan, I think it's clear now. Right. Written, Aryan? Okay, fine. So this all was in the video. So we'll come to the questions now. Now I think this is Jay. I'm just discussing only 15-20 minutes. I'm discussing the concepts now, right? So that's what is the part of the lecture plan, right? It was a part of the lecture plan, right? So we need to. So cos a by 2 basically, this is nothing but a can be written as a by 2, right? So this is of the form a plus b, okay? So cos a plus b, we know that this is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, right? Isn't it? Got it? Fine. So I have written it as cos square a by 2, sin square a by 2. In place of sin square theta, or in place of cos square theta, I can write 1 minus sin square theta, isn't it? This is there, right? So I've just substituted cos square a by 2 to be 1 minus sin square a by 2, okay? This is what we have. Fine. Okay. So I hope this is clear, everyone. Fine. No doubts, anyone? Jai Kishan, Abhi. Right. So these are the set of formulas already we have done in the videos. I'm just taking 15-20 minutes for the same because I believe that this is a very important concept and we should know. We should know. Everyone should know it. Okay. Now, let me come to some questions now. Okay. Now, one more thing was there, like, why you have written the half angle formulas? What is the use of this? Obviously, you have been asked to find, say, 10, 7.5 degree, right? You have been asked to find 10, 7.5 degree. How do you find it? Can you find 10, 7.5 degree? 10, 7.5 degree. Yes. How will you find it? Right. So, yes, absolutely, beta. So this becomes 10, 15 by 2, right? So everyone, just have a look at it, beta. How we are doing it? 15 upon 2. So that means in this case, A is 15. So this is 10 A by 2, which is nothing but under root of 1 minus cos A divided by 1 plus cos A, right? Fine. The formula I have given. Everyone, is this okay? So that is nothing but 1 minus cos 15 meter divided by 1 plus cos 15, right? Okay. So cos 15 degree, we know what is cos 15 degree. This is cos 45 minus 30, right? This is how it happens, isn't it? So which can be used, formula can be used here, cos 45, cos 30 minus sin 35, sin 30, right? Okay, I hope this is okay, everyone. This question is clear now. Everyone, fine? Okay? Right. Okay? Yes. Any doubts, any one of you? If you have been asked to find half angle, we can use this, right? Right, Amin? Okay. Abhi, you can find the formulas here. I think formulas here, cos 45 is 1 by root 2 and all, right? So we can just find it. Root 3 by 2 minus sin 30 is half and all, right? Yeah, this is for 10a by 2 form. Yes, absolutely, beta. This formula is for 10a by 2. So I have converted into 10a by 2. No? Can you say that? 2, 7 into 14 plus 1, 15 divided by 2. So a is 15, right? For that only we have substituted. Okay. Okay. Now, suppose sometimes, you'll be given very interesting question. Let's take some problems. So all set. Shall we start with some problems now? Fine. So the formulas I have given you and everything, right? You understood? Right, Abhi? Okay. So this concepts, these formulas are basically, it's already given in your book also and everything. How I have derived it, I've just derived it for only one part because I think that we should know all the derivation also. Okay. Now, let me come to a very interesting problem, my dear students. It's a problem where it is given that if 2 tan alpha, right, is equal to 3 tan beta, fine. Then we have to show that tan alpha minus beta is equal to sine 2 beta whole divided by 5 minus cos 2 beta beta. Okay? This is how it goes. So this is the problem we have. I want you people to go through this problem. Tan alpha minus beta is sine 2 beta divided by 5 minus cos 2 beta. Right. If 2 tan alpha is equal to 3 tan beta, how will you show that sine alpha minus beta, tan alpha minus beta is equal to sine 2 beta upon 5 minus cos 2 beta. Okay. Yes, Abhi, Karan, are you trying better? Everyone? Yes, bache, let me know. Okay, fine. No issues. Yeah. Yep. No problem. Nitya. Okay. 2 tan alpha is equal to 3 tan beta. We have to show that tan alpha minus beta is equal to sine 2 beta upon 5 minus cos 2 beta. Okay. Done? Bon. Yeah. Very good. Very good, Anand. Right. From this we can write tan alpha to be 3 upon 2 tan beta, right? Abhi, this is okay, everyone? Tan alpha is 3 upon 2 tan beta, right? So this can be 1. So I have to prove it now. Tan alpha minus beta, okay, is what? Tan alpha minus tan beta beta, okay, divided by 1 plus tan alpha tan beta, okay. So what is tan alpha? Tan alpha is 3 upon 2 tan beta, fine, minus tan beta, okay, whole divided by 1 plus tan alpha is what? It's given that 3 upon 2 tan beta into tan beta, right? So 3 by 2 tan beta minus beta, that is 1 by 2 tan beta, isn't it? Fine. Or we can write it as 2 plus 3 tan square beta divided by 2. So this 2 will be cancelled. So what is left out? Tan beta divided by 2 plus 3 tan square beta, right? I hope this is clear, everyone. Yeah, doing this and converting all tens. Very good, beta. Very good. So you understood, Abhi? So in place of, tan beta, I can write sine beta by cos beta. Okay. Whole divided by 2 plus 3 sine square beta divided by cos square beta. Okay. Everyone, is this clear? Yes, bache. Every students, can you just give me a confirmation, everyone? Bhavil, Abhi, Ujjwal, Ayush, Saksham, Ravisha, Himang, Karan. Yeah, this is okay. Karan, Samaksh, Parul, Anag, Aryan, Mithun, Jaikishan, Sakshi, Shivanshi, Aditya, Nitikya. Yeah, Nitya. Fine. So I want you people to go through it now. It's a very interesting sum. So we can just simplify this and we will get the answer, right? Okay. Can I give you the next question now? Yes. Can I give you the next question now? Okay. So you can just simplify and we get the answers, right? Okay. How to get it actually is sine beta. So I think everyone will get this answer. There will be no problem as such. Fine. So this is cos beta beta. So it will be like 2 cos square beta plus 3 sine square beta. Fine. Right. Okay. So we can convert it into another form. Cos square beta minus sine square beta form. That is cos 2 beta. Then only this will come. So we can just put it in the form of cos 2 beta and cos square beta minus sine square beta. So I think this is a very simple calculation, but you people should try this. Okay. Right, Abhi? Right, Ravisha? Is this okay? So new students, just please confirm if you can do it better. Right? Shall I go to the next part? Abhi, you will do it? Will you try? Saksham has given the right. Will you try? I have given you the hints. This one more step is left out. So let me go to the next part then. Right? Okay. If you have any doubts, so if you can do that, sir. Okay. I think this calculation part is a bit of something we need to do. Let me give you a hint how to go about. Next step, right? Sine beta, cos beta. Okay. So 2 cos square beta is 2 cos square beta is what? 1 plus cos 2 beta. This is the formula we have from cos 2 beta form, right? Plus 3. We can write it as sine square beta as 1 minus cos 2 beta. Yes, divided by 2 beta. Now we can simplify, right? Okay. Right, beta? We can? Abhi? Sine beta cos, so cos 2 beta. So cos 2 beta is what? Basically 1 plus cos 2 beta can be written, theta can be written as 2 cos square theta. That formula what we have already done. We need to simplify this. Okay. 1 minus cos 2 theta can be written as 2 sine square theta. Okay. This is how I write it. Fine. Okay. Let me go to the next one. Abhi, I think this is okay now. You can simplify this. 1 plus cos 2 beta and 3 into 1 by will get the same answer. Okay. Let me go to the next part. Now I have one more question. It's very interesting. You have been given root 3 cosec 20 minus sec 20 is equal to, the A option is 1, B option is -1, C option is 0, D option is 4, right? Okay, this is how I write it. Okay, root 3 cosec 20 minus sec 20 is equal to what? 1, B -1, 0, D 4. Root 3 cosec 20 Yeah. So option is D. Option is D. Right. So let's do few problems based on these concepts. I think things will be okay. Right. How it is so? See, let me do it. Okay, just have a look at it. It's given root 3 sine 20 cosec 20, right? So what are the things we can do here? What are the possible things we can do here? Because for cosec 20 and sec 20, we don't have any specific formula for the same, right? Yeah. So cosec 20 can be written as 1 upon sine 20. Okay. And this is 1 upon cos 20. Fine. So we can write it as sine 20 into cos 20, right? Or we can write it as root 3 cos 20 minus sine 20. I hope this is clear, everyone. Okay. Right. So let me make it 2 sine 20 cos 20. You can just convert it into this. 2 I can multiply. Root 3 cos 20 minus sine 20, right? Or we can write it as 4 root 3 by 2 cos 20 minus half sine 20. Okay. So this is sine 40. 4 root 3 by 2 is what? Sine 60, right? So this is sine 60. Okay. Minus half cos 20. Sine half, right? Sine 30. And sorry, cos 60. This is cos 60, right? Cos 60 and sine 20 divided by sine 40. You got it? Sine root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 is sine 60. Half is cos 60. So this is of the form what? Sine A minus B form. So this becomes what? Sine 60 minus 20 divided by sine 40 beta. So this is cancelled, which is equal to 4, right? Okay, so this is coming out to be 4. Sine 40 divided by sine 40 is equal to 4. Okay, right everyone? Is this clear? Right. All of you, give me a confirmation, please. Okay. Let me go to the next question now. It's a very interesting question, okay? Right. If alpha and beta are the solutions of A cos theta plus B sin theta is equal to C, then prove that cos alpha plus beta is equal to A square minus B square upon A square plus B. So this is a very interesting question, right? If alpha and beta are the solutions of A cos theta plus B sin theta, right, is equal to C, then we have to prove that cos alpha plus beta, okay, cos alpha plus beta is equal to A square minus B square upon A square plus B square. This is what we need to prove today, right? How do you prove it? Yes, yes. These are the theta is alpha and beta. Absolutely beta. Theta is alpha and beta. Right. So can we square it up and can we solve this question? If we square it, and can we solve this question? Yes, we can. That is also one of the way we can solve. If you have been asked to find if alpha and beta are the solutions of A cos theta plus B sin theta is equal to C. If you have been asked to find. So basically what you need. You need what? Cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta, right? Okay. Yeah, if we can square it up, I mean, okay, if you want to square it up, right away, it becomes a square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta plus 2ab cos theta sin theta is also there, no? That is also there. So basically what we can do one thing, right? See, what are the steps you can follow? Same way, it's very interesting. I can write a cos theta is equal to c minus b sin theta, right? We can square it. This becomes a square cos square theta, right? This becomes c square plus b square sin square theta, okay? Minus 2bc sin theta, right? I think this step is okay, everyone. Fine. Or I can write cos square theta should be 1 minus sin square theta, right? Is equal to c square plus b square sin square theta minus 2. It's the IT mains problem actually. 2b sin theta, right, Kanan? Okay. So, okay, fine. So if I have a square, if I simplify this, so it should be 2bc sin theta. Okay, 2bc sin theta. Thank you, section. So this can be written as a square plus b square sin square theta minus 2bc sin theta plus c square minus a square is equal to 0. Okay, this is what we have. Okay, a square plus b square sin square theta minus 2bc sin theta plus c square minus a square is equal to 0. Okay, this is what we have. So this is a quadratic equation you get in terms of sin theta, isn't it? So we can say that sin alpha and sin beta are the roots of this equation. We can say that, right? Sin alpha and sin beta are the roots of this equation. Can you see that? Because theta is the root of this equation, right? If we simplify it and we get something like sin square theta, sin theta, so we can say that sin alpha, sin theta are the roots of this equation. Okay? So sin alpha, sum of the roots is minus b by a, but product of the root is what? What is the product of the roots? This will be c square minus a square divided by a square plus b square minus 1. Okay? And we need only sin alpha, sin beta and cos alpha, cos beta. Is this okay, everyone? You got it? Yes, Anak. Yes, Abhi. Yes. Ravisha, is this okay? Let me repeat it again. I have taken all the squares, right? I have taken b sin theta on the right hand side, right, Anak? I have taken square on both sides, right? Mithun? Yes, Ayush. And then I have squared it, right away? I have squared it, beta. Both sides I have squaring, I have done, right? So this is basically a minus b whole square. So this is step number 1, right? This is step number 2, okay? This is step number 3, and this is step number 4, okay? Fine. So since alpha and beta are the roots of this equation 1, beta. So sine alpha and sine beta will be the roots of this equation then, right? Okay, I've simplified this equation right away. Right section, sine square theta beta. I've simplified it. So it's a quadratic equation in terms of sine theta, right? So theta is already there, na? Is basically is satisfying the equation. Alpha and beta are the roots of this equation, right? So alpha beta satisfy the equation. So that means Mitun says, I have a very fundamental question. I want to ask how my question is in a right angle triangle. And this is what we have already done in class 10th, right? How the values are coming and all. You want me to explain it, Mitun? Okay, I will come to the point. Don't worry, I will come to the point. Let me first of all explain this part. Right. Okay, I will just have a look at it. Don't worry. I will just explain it. Okay. So can you see that? C square minus A square upon A square plus B square. You got it, everyone? So this sine alpha and sine beta are the roots of this equation. So since alpha beta are the roots of this equation, so sine alpha and sine beta are the roots of this equation. So the product of the roots will be C square minus A square upon A square plus B square. And the sum of the roots will be 2BC divided by 2BC divided by A square plus B square. Don't worry, I will explain you one. Huh? Don't worry. Okay, I will just explain you once. So first of all, let's concentrate on this problem. So sine alpha plus sine beta is okay, everyone? Is this fine? 2BC upon A square plus B square. Okay? Everyone, is this clear? Abhi, is this okay? Everyone, beta? Everyone, just give me a confirmation. Similarly, if I convert it into cos, right? If I convert it into cos, so we get cos alpha into cos beta then. Right, cos alpha into cos beta then. Which is coming out to be C square minus B square divided by A square plus B square, right? I hope this is clear, everyone. Is this fine? No issues? Okay? Right. Acha, that you want to know the origin of the terms. So can you explain the fourth equation? The fourth equation is beta A square. See, basically we are simplifying this equation. We are taking on the right hand side. Right, Ayush? We are taking on the right hand side beta. So A square, I have just simplified this. Then I have taken all the sine square theta together. I have taken sine theta together and all the constant together, right? Okay. Okay. I have taken sine theta, sine square theta together, sine theta together, and C square minus A square together. I have simplified it, right? Okay. Okay, everyone, is this clear? So I didn't understand the cost part. How do you find the cost part, Peter? Let me explain you the cost part. Wait. Let me go to the new. I have a cos theta plus b sin theta is equal to c. So for cos part, you take cos on the right hand side. Okay? Right, Yash? And square it up. That is c minus a cos theta whole square. Okay? This is how I can write b square sin square theta plus 2 b sin theta, right? Which is equal to c square plus a square cos square theta, right? To ac cos theta, right? So this sin square theta we can write it as 1 minus cos square theta plus no, this is only b square cos. Sorry, this is b square cos theta, right? So I can write this way. Sorry, yeah, no, that is not required. Sorry, not b sin theta is not required because I have squared it, right? So c square plus a square cos square theta minus 2a cos theta, right? Okay, now it is clear, everyone. Fine. So this case also, we can just simplify cos square theta, right? I will come to the, don't worry. Let me come to this page first. I will do it. Don't worry. So I got this way, right? And here we can find the cos alpha into cos beta part. Same way we can do it. Okay? Right. Fine. Let me come to the previous page. Okay. Just have a look at it, beta. Jai Kishan. How will you do it? Yeah. Yes. Abhi, is this okay now? Fine, everyone. Ravisha, every students, can you just give me a confirmation? All of you. So how this c square minus b square upon a square plus b square come? This is from here, beta. This part. When you simplify this, na, from this part, right? This came from the cos square part, cos theta part. Okay? Clear? Yes, Abhi, is this okay? A square plus b square, cos square theta we have, minus 2a, c cos theta we have, right? Okay? And c square minus b square we have is equal to 0. Fine. So here we get this part, c square minus b square upon a square plus b square beta. Okay? So if you put the values of alpha, beta, how we find the alpha, beta, beta? How can you put the values and we get the values, right? You want to do it in that form. I think this is the easiest one, but there you need to do some calculations maybe. Right, Himak? There you may need to do some calculations. Okay? So you have to be very careful. You write it as a cos alpha, b sin alpha is equal to c, or a cos beta plus b sin beta is equal to c. We can add it up. We need to find it like that way, right? So that will be some half angles will be coming down. Okay, I think this is okay, everyone. This part is clear, right, Hemang? Everyone? No problem. Right. So let me go to the next part now. It's fine. Okay. So this part is clear, everyone. Please confirm. Okay. Right. Now we have been given some, sum to product forms and product to sum form. Right. This is given. So I've discussed in the videos also. Something like this. If I have been given sine C plus sine D, right? So this is nothing but what? 2 sine C plus D divided by cos C minus D divided by 2. Okay? Like this way. So there's a sum and I'm getting a product here. You know those formulas, everyone? Suppose I have been given, say, 2 sine A cos B, right? So this can be written as sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. Okay? This is what we get. 2 cos A cos B. This formula is again very important. Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Right? These are the formulas you should know. If I have 2 sine A sine B, this is cos A minus B minus cos A plus B beta. Right? This is how it is. Similarly, in this case, if I have sine C minus sine D, we can write it as 2 cos C plus D divided by 2 sine C minus 2. Okay? We have cos C plus cos D. This formula is, I think this formula is we have already discussed in the class, so I don't think so there will be any problem as such. C minus D by 2, right? Cos C minus cos D minus 2 sine C plus D divided by 2 sine C minus D divided by 2, right? This is what we have. Fine. So we'll do some problems based on these properties. All set. You all ready? So we'll do some problems based on this concept, transformation formulas. Okay? Right? Mithun, I will come to your point also, don't worry. Okay, Mithun? What you have asked now, that also we'll discuss. Let's complete the whole cycle now, right? Because these other questions will be, sir, what about the T ratios of 18 degrees? That also I will come to the point, don't worry. I will come to that. Right, Yash? So, in these questions, you will be sometimes, see, basically what happens. Let me do, suppose you have been given, say, 2 sine 3 theta into cos theta, right? And you have to convert it into sum. It is a product form. You have to convert it into sum form. These are the transformation formula. Can you just convert it into that form? 2 sine 3 theta cos theta. You need to convert it into, transform into the sum form. Right? In the sum form. So how will you convert it into sum form? Yeah. So this becomes how much? 2 sine 3 theta. So this is nothing but what? Sine A plus B, right? Plus sine A minus B. Sine 3 theta plus sine 3 theta minus. So I think this concept is clear now, everyone. This becomes sine 4 theta plus sine 2 theta. Okay? This is what we have. Fine. Okay? Now, Now, based on this concept, there's a very, very important sum, right? Let's do that problem. Fine. So sine, so the coefficient won't be taken. No. Coefficient, and this is the form, right? This is the 2 sine A sine B form. 2 sine A cos B form beta, right? This is the form we have, right? Now, suppose you have been given a very important sum, right, Abhi, Ravisha? Yes, Bhavil. I think this is okay, everyone. Ayush, Nitya, Mithun, Mayank, Hemank, Karan, Saksham. Fine, right? So again, this is a very important sum. We need to find the value of sine, 10 degree, right? Sine 30 degree, sine 50 degree, sine 70 degree. Can you see that? And the options are given as 1 upon 16, 1 upon 8, root 3 upon 16, D is none. This is what is given to us. Right? Sine 10, sine 30, sine 50, and sine 70 beta. Right? This is what is given to us. Sine 10, sine 30. It's a very important question in terms of school examination, also for entrance level also, right? Sine 10, sine 30, sine 50, sine 70. What will be the options we have? What are, right? Yes. Isn't it? Sine 10, sine 30, sine 50, sine 70. Sine 30 is already given. So sine 30 is half. So we can just write it as sine 10 degree, sine 50 degree, sine 70 degree. Right? This is how I write it. Isn't it? We multiply 2 here. This is the way how we do it. 2 sine 10 degree, right? Side denominator, numerator, we can multiply by 2. Okay? Yes. Isn't it? So sine 30 is there. Yes, sine 30 is there. It is there. No, sine 30 is there. I'm just, okay, sine 30 is there. Sine 30 is there, right? So this becomes 1 upon 4. 2 sine A sine B is what? Cos A minus B cos A plus B. And this is again sine 70, right? Okay. 1 upon 4 cos minus 40 is cos of 40. Cos 60 is half, right? This is sine 70. Okay. I hope this is clear, everyone. Fine. So this becomes 1 upon 4. Again, we can take some LCM here. This is 2 cos 40 minus 1. This is sine 70, right? This is 1 upon 8. And we multiply again 2 sine 70 cos 40 minus sine 70. Okay? Can you see that? So 2 sine A cos B can be written as sine A plus B. That is coming out to be 1 upon 8, right? This is sine 70 plus 40 plus sine 70 minus 40, right? Into sine 70, right? This is what it is. Abhi, the cos of minus theta is cos theta, beta. When you go through the recording, na, you'll find it. Last time recording, cos of minus theta is always cos theta, beta. Right? Got it, Karan? Is this fine? Okay. Himant. 1 upon 8. This is sine 110. I multiplied, open the bracket, Himant. I multiplied with each term. Sine 70 into this and sine 70 into this. Right? Okay. Right, Himant? Acha, okay. This is what you are talking about. This sine 70 should not be multiplied. Okay, fine. Okay, now I understood. Yeah, understood. Yes, absolutely. Fine. You got it. I got my point. Yes. I've written minus, but it's okay. This is minus, right? Okay. Is this clear? I've written 2 sine A cos B as sine A plus B minus sine A minus B बचे. Wait. There's something minus sine 70 is missing now. Wait, just give me a minute. I'm just rectifying this part, right? Give me one. See, here what happens, beta? Just have a look at it. Come on, everyone. One upon 8, right? 2 sine A cos B is how much? Abhi, 2 sine A cos B is sine A plus B, right? Plus sine A minus B. Fine. Is it? Into minus sine 70. Now it's clear, everyone? Now it's fine? Yes, Abhi, is this clear? Himant, is this fine, beta? Two sine A cos B, right? 2 sine A cos B is sine A plus B plus sine A minus B, right? Fine. And this is minus sine 70. I've written the formula in the previous page. 2 sine A cos B is sine A plus B plus sine A minus B, right? So this comes out to be 110 degree, right? This is 110, and this 110 and sine 70 will be cancelled. So we are left out with sine 30, which is 1 by 8 into 1 by 2, which is coming out to be 1 upon 16, right? Fine. Right, Abhi? I hope this is clear, everyone. Sine 110 is nothing but sine 180 minus 10, right? Sine 180 minus 10 is minus sine 10. So sine 10 minus sine 10 is how much? Sine 10, the sine 70 and minus sine 70. 0 then? Is this okay, everyone? Fine. Why I have converted into, I have cancelled sine 110 and sine 70. I have converted sine 110 and sine 70. I have cancelled it. Why? Why? Because they have the same value. In terms of magnitude will be same. 180 minus 70, which is coming out to be sine 70, right? Okay? Which is coming out to be sine 70. Fine? Everyone, is this clear? Right? So that's why there is something like 1 upon 16, right? And that sine 70 and one more sine 70 was there. So I've just cancelled it with it. This is cancelled, right? Which becomes 1 upon 16. Okay? Right, everyone? Is this clear? Right. Yes, yes. Right, everyone. Just have a look at it and let me know. Right. Written? Fine. Right. Shall I go to the next page now? Everyone, let me know. Fine. Okay. Now, there was a question like, sir, what are the values of? Let me first of all explain one concept. Like one concept which was asked by Mithun. Sir, if there is a right angle triangle, so how will you go for the sine 30 degree in values, right? This is we have done already, but still, let me explain it. In a right angle triangle, how it is so, and right. We take different angles, Mithun, right? Sine 30 degree, we have already done it. Let me just explain you once. Okay, I have x, right? So this is 45 degree and this is 45 degree, right, Mithun? So this is how much? Root 2x, okay? So for different angles, we will go for different types of triangles, okay? Right, Mithun? So let me give you one example. This sine 45 degree, okay? Right, so sine 45 is what? X upon root 2x. So this x will be cancelled. We get 1 by root 2. I think this is okay. Fine. So same way we proceed. Right, Mithun? Is there or not? Okay, I will come to. So the same way, maybe there's a need of 60 degrees, so we can go for an equilateral triangle. We can plot a value like this. We can, drop a perpendicular. For 60 degree, we can go for equilateral triangles, right? So this is 60 degree. This is x. This is x. This is x by 2. Mithun, this is x by 2, right? So we can go accordingly. Fine. Okay, so we can take the an angle here. We can get like this is root 3 by 2x. Okay, so you can get sine 60 degree. This root 3 by 2 upon x. That is root 3 by 2. Right, Mitun? So sine 60 degree also you can get, isn't it? So this is coming out to be root 3 2x upon x. So the x is cancelled. We get root 3 by 2. Okay. Yes. Is this clear, everyone? Fine. Mitun, is this okay? It's your doubt, right? You got it? So for different angles, we have different triangles to be found. Similarly, we can go for sine 30 degree also here. Okay? Right, Mithun? Now I have a query from Mithun. Can you just confirm? Then we have go for 18 degree. No, 18 degree is basically we can't generally know what are the values of 18 degree, right? We don't know. So there was a question, sir, how to find the value of 18 degree? See, 18 degree values basically we can find by taking theta is equal to 18 degree. Right. Okay, I will come to that point, don't worry. Let me take theta is equal to 18 degree, right? Yes, very good section. I multiply 5 with theta and 5 with 18. This also I have done it in the video, right? So this is 5 theta, this is 90 degree. Or I can write it as 2 theta plus 3 theta is equal to 90 degree, right? Fine. So 2 theta can be written as 90 minus 3 theta. Fine. Or 2 theta, if I take on the right hand side, sine 2 theta, this becomes sine 90 minus 3 theta, right? So it becomes 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to how much? Cos 3 theta beta, right? So this is 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Okay? So if I solve it, it becomes a quadratic equation, right? I think who has this particular concept there? Who has asked me this concept? Someone has asked me this concept. Is in the class or not? Sine 18 degree. Someone asked me for sine 18 degree, right? If I'm not wrong. Who asked me for sine 18 degree beta? Yes. Yes, beta. Let me know. Right? So here what we can take, yeah, I am taking 90 minus theta. Yes. Sine 2 theta is equal to sine 90 minus theta beta. So sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta. Sine, 90 minus 3 theta is cos 3 theta, which can be written as 4 cos cube theta. Yes. So, see, basically I have taken sine on both sides, right? So sine 2 theta is equal to sine 90 minus 3 theta, which is 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to cos 3 theta, 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, right? So cos theta, we can take common. This is 2 sine theta, right? Or cos theta we can take common. This is 4 cos square theta minus 3 cos theta beta. Fine. 3, sorry, not 4 cube cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. It's only 3. So this cos theta, what I have taken common, because theta is 18 degrees, so it is never equal to 0. So we are left out with 2 sin theta. This proof also I have done in the video, so you can just go through it once. Okay. So we have 4 cos square theta minus 3 beta. Okay. Right. So this becomes 2 sin theta is equal to 4 cos. So 4 cos square theta, we can write it as, 1 minus sin square theta. So this is 2 sin theta is equal to, right? And this is 4 into 1 minus sin square theta minus 3. So you can solve this. The question was like, what is the value of sin 18 degree? So this comes out to be root 5 minus 1 upon 4 beta, right? So when you solve this, we solve this quadratic equation in terms of sin theta, we get this part, right? So I think this concept is clear, beta. Everyone, is this okay? So I want questions from you because you people have not done the modules, right? So next class, you may ask questions on the module part, okay? Cos 3 theta is what? 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta beta. That formula we have written. Okay? Yeah. Right? So cos theta I have taken common. That cos theta will be cancelled. We are coming out to 2 sin theta is equal to 4 cos square theta minus 3. We get a quadratic equation in terms of sin theta. Solve it, we'll get root 5 minus 1 by 4 beta. Right? Okay. So this doubt is clear, beta, everyone? No. I have taken cos theta. This cos theta and this cos theta I have taken common. So I have taken cos theta from 2 sin theta cos theta. This is cos theta, right? Okay. So this is okay, everyone? This clear? Any other concepts? Right, beta? This is okay? Yeah. So I think sine 18 degree, someone has asked the doubt, beta. I think this is clear. Sine 18 degree is okay. So from sine 18 degree, we can find the value of cos 18 degree also, right? So cos 18 degree is nothing but what? 1 minus sine square 18 degree. We can just substitute the values, we can get it. Okay? All right. Suppose you have been given to find sine 36 degree. Sine 18 degree is root 5 minus 1 divided by 4 beta. If I talk about sine 36 degree, this is sine 2 into 18 degree, right? Or we can write it as 2 sine 18 degree cos 18 degree. Okay? This is how we can find it. Fine? We got it? Sine 36 degree. This also we have proved it in the videos, so we can just go through it once. Huh? Right. If I talk about sine 54 degree, So this is sine 3 into 18 degree, right? So sine theta, 3 theta is 3 sine 18 degree minus 4 sine cube 18 degree. 3 sine 18 degree minus 4 sine cube 18 degree, right? So if I talk about cos 36 degree, so before that you didn't prove, but I have already proved in the video, so I've just given you the hint, right? Okay, already I have proved it in the video, beta. Right, same way, Abhi. Whatever I have done here, the same way. If you can go through the video, things will be okay. There's a calculation involved, right? So cos 36, again, if we have cos 36, so we can write cos 36 to be cos 2 into 18 degree, right? Which becomes cos square 18 degree minus sine square 18 degree. Okay, this is how it goes. Fine. Okay, right? I think this is okay. 18 degree is clear, everyone. 36 degree, 18 degree, 54 degree, 36 degree is clear. Yes. Just go through the videos once, things will be okay. Right? These are all calculations. Very simple calculations. You need to understand these calculations only. Yeah, sine 18 degree can be written as cos 72 degree, right? This can be written as cos 72 degree. Because this is nothing but sine 90 minus 72 degree. So this can be written as, cos 72 degree, right? Yes. Right, Bhavin? Right, Abhi? So, these are the calculations because root 18 degree, you can just put the values, right? It is already given in the module. So let me give you the values. You can just put the values and you can get the answers, right? So sine 18 degree is basically root 5 minus 1 upon 4, okay? And if I talk about cos 18 degree, okay, this is coming out to be root 10 plus 2 root 5 divided by 4, okay? Right, Abhi? So these are the two values you have, right? So you can just substitute and you can get the values. Just write it down. Okay. So let us do one more problem. If tan theta by 2 is equal to under root of 1 minus e upon 1 plus e tan phi upon 2, right? Then show that cos phi is equal to cos theta minus e divided by 1 minus e cos theta beta. This is what we have, right? So I want you people to try this one. If tan theta by 2 is equal to under root of 1 minus e upon 1 plus e tan phi by 2, then you have to show that cos phi is cos theta minus e upon 1 minus e cos theta beta. Okay? So how to do it? how to do it. How to do it better. If we have been given tan theta by 2 is under root of 1 minus e upon 1 plus e tan phi by 2, then you have to show that cos phi is cos theta minus e upon 1 minus e cos theta by 2. Yeah. Tan theta by 2 is under root of 1 minus e upon 1 plus e tan phi by 2. Okay. Then show that cos phi is cos theta minus e upon 1 minus e cos theta. How will you do this? Is there any way we can do it? So squaring it we can do. Yes, we can square it. Okay. Next step. No problem. Just try. Abhi just we'll just try this question better. No issues. Karan. Yeah. Mithun. Ravisha. Saksham. Ujjwal. Yeah. So how can you do it? We can square it up, right? We can square it. Is it? We can. Fine. And the question is given in terms of cos theta and cos phi. If you remember, Yes, yes, absolutely. Cos 2 theta is what? 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. I've written in the starting of the class 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, right? Fine. Okay. So if I write cos phi, yeah, cos, in place of 2 theta, if I write cos theta. So I can make it half angle, tan square theta by 2 upon 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Right? So cos theta is 1 minus tan square theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Right? Okay? Yes, we can use the component of dividend part. So cos theta, you know, so it is given tan phi by 2. So cos 2 theta we know, right? 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So these are all known to us. And also, this somewhat very interesting one, tan square theta by 2, because we have to convert it into cos. So can I write, this is 1 plus e, okay? So tan square theta by 2, can I write 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta? Yes, we can, right? Isn't it? We can write in this way. You remember? Tan phi by 2, sorry, this is phi by 2, yes. Tan theta by 2, I have written in half angle form, right? This is under root of 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. Right? Remember? This is what I have told. So tan square phi by 2 can be written as 1 minus cos phi upon 1 plus cos phi, right? Yes. Got it? Okay. Fine, everyone? Got it? So I think this question, sometimes, this type of questions mark. So this is 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos phi you get, right? We need to bring it in the form of cos theta. Okay, tan square theta is also there. So we can bring it in this form also, no? 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. This is also one form we have, right? So this is 1 minus e upon 1 plus e into 1 minus cos theta upon phi upon 1 plus cos phi, right? This is what we can write, isn't it? Now here what we can do, we can use the component of dividend part, right? Fine. So there is a problem. What is the componendo and dividendo? What is componendo and dividendo? Maybe some students don't know what is a componendo and dividendo. Componendo and dividendo is something like this, beta. A by B is equal to C by D implies A plus B divided by A minus B is equal to C plus D divided by C minus D, right? This is componendo dividendo. If A by B is equal to C by D, then A plus B upon A minus B is equal to C plus D upon C minus D, right? I think using this componendo and dividendo part, we can go for the same, right? Okay, fine. So 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta, we can write 1 minus e, 1 plus e, whatever you want to write, we can, right? So this is basically the A part we are talking about, and this is the B part we are talking about, and the numerator part of this we are talking about C, and this is the D part we are talking about, right? Fine. So it's a question from the module actually. So I want you to go through it once. So I'm giving you some problems because you don't have any doubts since today. Right, everyone? Is this clear? Fine. Okay. So you can use the component or dividend part. We'll get that answer, right? Yes. This is the calculation need to be done. Now there is an again a problem is there. So what happens, because cos phi is given separately, right? So this what I have done is, if it may leads to some more calculations, but since it is cos phi is given separately, that also I have to notice this part. This is given cos phi. So I think this tan phi by 2 can be taken separately. Then we can use the component dividend. We can take it on the right hand side, right? Okay. So tan square phi by 2 is okay, beta. 1 minus e. This is fine. This is if cos theta is given in terms of this. Now I can see the question. It is given cos phi. So cos phi, if you have been given, so we can take tan phi by 2 separately. Then we do the sum. Okay. So I want everyone to go through the module. I think you people have not gone through the module. Have you gone through the module, beta? Yes, let me know. Please go through the modules, beta, before coming to the class. I just checked, right, whether you have gone through it or not. You just go through the modules. Whatever the syllabus is given, whatever the questions are given, you go through the videos. Okay? Fine? Go through the videos, beta. Otherwise, things will be not very, it will be not clear. I want to clear the doubts in this class. I can see that you have not gone through the videos now. That's what things is all about, right? Okay. So, Abhi, I think you can also go through the videos, beta. This question maybe you are not able to understand because this is given in terms of component and dividend too. So you just go through the videos first, have a look at it, then you can ask me the doubts in the next class. Okay. Anything else? Any other doubts you people have? I've just taken few questions because I can see that. So trigonometry till now, all the things are clear. We have done some questions from, right? Yes. Anything you want to ask, beta? Anything you want to ask? Any one of you can ask me. Next class, we'll discuss the doubts. You can ask me. You have 10 minutes. You can ask me anything you want to ask. So can we put next class as the doubt class? Yes, we can, beta. We can. Right? You can. So because the same videos will be asked, so we can take the doubt class, right? Next class, because you have the next part also in the video, minimum and the maximum value of trigonometric expression, right? Okay. No doubts? Nothing? Okay, let me give you one more problem, okay? And that is of the same basic fundamentals. I'm not going into the depth of the things, right? You just try this question. Okay, one question. Fine. Okay, can you try, everyone? Right. Prove that. Let's try one more. 1020, 1040, 1080 is equal to 1060. It's a very interesting sum. How will you do it? 1020, 1040, okay? 1080 is equal to 1060. Yes, we need to convert it into sine by cos form first. Yeah, we can write it as sine 20 upon cos 20, sine 40 upon cos 40, sine 80 upon cos 80, right? This is what we. So I can multiply 2 sine 20, sine 40, right? Divided by again 2 cos 20, cos 40, sine 80 divided by cos 80, we can write, right? Can you see that? Okay. Next step, 2 sine A cos B, sine A sine B. So we can write it as cos A minus B. That is 20 minus 40, right? Minus cos 20 plus 40, okay? Divided by cos 20 plus 40 plus cos 20 minus 40 into sine 80 divided by cos 80, right? Okay, is this clear, everyone? So this is cos 20 minus cos 60 divided by cos 60, right? Plus cos 20 into sine 80 upon cos 40, cos 80, right? Right. So cos 60, we know what is cos 60. We know what is cos 60. So this is cos 20 minus half this is sine 80, right? Divided by cos 60 is half plus cos 20 into cos 80. Okay. Right, everyone? Is this clear? Now, this part, after this part, I want you people to try this question. After this part. Okay. Cos 20 minus half, sin 80, half plus cos 20 into cos 80. This part I want you people to try. Fine. Right. So if people can try this one. Okay. Any other doubts? Anything you want to ask? I'm giving you the answer also. It's coming out to be root 3. I want you people to try this one. Right. Cos 20 minus half into sin 80 divided by half plus cos 20 into cos 80. Right. Yes. Nitya, everyone. You people can try this one. Okay. Right. Okay then. So I will end up the session because you don't have any other doubts. So I think it's all for today. If you have anything you want to ask or anything you want to inquire, you can. Okay. Because I want you people to go through the videos. I know you have school exams and all, but again, next class we'll have the doubts of whatever. Right. So can you simplify further? Same way, beta. Cos 20, right? We can take the LCM like this. Let me take it in this way. This is 2 beta. So this is 2 cos 20, right? Minus 1, right? And this is sin 80 beta. Okay. Is equal to or divided by, sorry, is again 1 plus 2 cos 20, right? Abhi, divided by 2 into cos 80 bache. Okay. Now again you multiply. Same thing I have done. You remember the question? Abhi, we have done this type of question. That's why I have left this question. In the previous 4-5 questions we have done. Previous, before 4-5 questions, you can see in the first half of the videos, first hour, we have done such type of questions. Okay. You can refer those questions. I've given you the hint. You can just do it. So I tell everyone, I would suggest that you go through the videos, you ask me the doubts in the next class, because you didn't have lot many doubts today. So because of not going through the videos, or maybe you have not done the module. So next class you ask doubts from the modules, okay, booklets, and we'll discuss this, right? Okay, next class also we'll go with the same set of videos. You have time, so you can go through it. Fine. Okay then. Let us finish up the class today, right? And please go through the videos again. Let me tell you, because we'll go in the very fast track now, and we have to cover lot many syllabus now, right? Okay then. See you, beta. Bye. Take care. God bless you.